In 1819, Dr. John Bostock sneezed uncontrollably during a lecture in London. Was it a curse? No, it was hay fever, a term he coined. Before this, sneezing was blamed on evil spirits or divine punishment. Bostock's discovery linked pollen to allergies, changing medical history. Imagine a world where sneezes were feared. His work led to understanding allergies, paving the way for modern treatments. Today, millions thank Bostock for relief from itchy eyes and runny noses. Curious how a sneeze changed history? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.